Hello again, everyone. Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report for Tony in Alabama on the Galaxy DX98 VHP. Tony, got it ready to go for you, bud. Got your blue lights fixed. Unlike the clarifier, tune alignment, Toshiba regulator, cap upgrades, wideband transmit receive. Took out the switch over here on the side. So let's just get right to it. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Find a way to shut this doggone top back off real quick. Got 5 watts all the way down, and we have full adjustability if you set her in an amp. 50 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. Peg's a 100 watt scale, so let's go to 500 watt slug in average. Hello. 150 bird. Hello. Oh, at 280 peak. Alright, Tony, we'll get this beautiful ride back out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. Bum, bum.